National Christmas Jumper Day. How about organising a Christmas present for your community?
It's been a pleasure to work with M-SParc on this project. So Canolfan Dyffryn Wyrdd, this location, it's supposed to be a co-working space, and we want the community to come in. And working with M-SParc, that's enabled us to reach out to our community, to get people in to learn about new processes. The maker space has been phenomenal. North Wales Tech have used the space consistently from the beginning. We've had local schools in, local crafters, and it's just definitely worked for us. And I really encourage other communities to work with M-SParc.
The purpose of M-SParc on Tour is to bring M-SParc's ethos of innovation and inspiration to new communities in Conwy and Gwynedd. But in addition to the makerspace and the co-working space, we can also offer business support from our hubs and a wide range of events, from business events to tech events to science and STEM events for children. The purpose of M-SParc on Tour is that we hope to leave a legacy, and that the communities that we visited carry on what we've started off and make it their own. Bethesda's been a real success, but now M-SParc on Tour is looking for their second location. If you think this could be your community, please get in touch by filling in the application form or sending it